Good evening. How are you doing, dear teacher? And today I'm going to talk about how to compare different cultures. Okay. Today I'm going to compare the culture of Sudan, USA, and Colombia. Right? According to the video, right? In Sudan, people are extremely humble and approachable. They are totally open to talking to people with an incredible disposition to listen to you and help you. If you go to their house, they do not worry about asking you who you are, but they ask you what you need. They are quite collaborative. Definitely, in Sudan, the way of eating and preparing food is really different, and the way they do it in the US is quite strange for them. They were really excited when they started to see things like electric power, the shower, the canned food. Those did have them seriously terrified. It was well enough for them to know the difference between both cultures. For these guys, it was frustrating that they definitely could not speak openly on the streets of the USA with the people the same way as they do in Sudan. They clearly spread their unconformity for that. In some part of Colombia, it is quite similar to Sudan in terms of lowliness and open treatment of people. You can go out and really meet people willing to help you and even treat you well. Different than the USA, where definitely if you approach their houses, they might call the police to their house because they think you are going to steal their belongings. Absolutely, the culture of Sudan and Colombia are similar in many everyday things, unlike the USA. I think they are not entirely different cultures. Colombia and Sudan are very different. Apart from the USA, that I think they is extremely different from Sudan. Colombia and USA are not very different in many things too. So it changes depending on what things we are talking about. Okay, that was it. I thought about the cultures, comparing them. This the way I could, the way I could. Thank you very much, teacher, for the opportunity and for hearing me. I hope you have a good rest of the night. God bless you.